First, let's prepare our base. Boil 2 sliced onions, ginger, cashew nuts and melon seeds until they are soft and tender. Also in the same water, boil green peas and strain and keep the water aside. Next, let's make our homemade malai. In a blender, add paneer, milk and water and blend it into a smooth silky cream. Now let's start the main gravy. Heat oil or ghee clarified butter in the same pan. Add cardamom for that royal aroma. Add chopped ginger, green chilli, saute for a few seconds. Now add in black pepper powder and roasted cumin powder wait till it turns aromatic. Now add the onion paste and cook it well for 3-4 minutes until it becomes thick and aromatic. Add the green peas and cook for 2 minutes. Now add chopped fresh fenugreek leaves. Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now time for seasoning. Add salt and now goes in the magic, our secret, the homemade paneer malai cream. Keep the flame low and simmer just for 2-3 minutes. Finally add crushed kasuri methi. This step makes it taste exactly like a restaurant curry. And that's it. Creamy, comforting bowl of Methi Matar Malai is ready. Serve it hot with fulka, naan or zeera rice. If you love such simple recipes that feel expensive, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.